This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Levy. Resident-owned 55-plus Co-Op Community of Molokai manufactured home available. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan home comes full furnished. All you need is to pack your clothes and move in. This resident-owned mobile home community has a lot to offer, including a clubhouse that serves as an activity center along with a large heated pool. HOA includes water, sewage, trash, cable and internet at a low cost of $170 per month. Call for an appointment today. For more information, review the details below.